Assalamualaikum everyone. Thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. So today we're making some shrimp fried rice. So let's get started. I have here 3 cups of boiled rice. Sometimes you have the leftover rice and you don't know what to do with them. So I have 3 cups of rice. I have 1 2-pound package of shrimp, and I have green peas, a cup of green peas, cup of carrots, 1 onion chopped, 3 eggs, and a bunch of spices. Now I used 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, some black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And here I added a tablespoon of oil to the pan, and we're gonna go ahead and cook the eggs in that with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And go ahead and take those out once they are cooked. We just need to cooking some scrambled eggs there. To the same pan, go ahead and add the shrimp. I already added a little bit of oil to the shrimp, so there was no need for extra oil. Once that they have cooked completely, go ahead and transfer those to another plate. And in the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, a couple of tablespoons, and we're going to go ahead and saute the onions and the carrots first. The carrots take the longest to cook down. So after a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the ginger and garlic in there, about 1 teaspoon each. And we're going to go ahead and saute those for a few minutes till that cooks down a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and add the green onions and the green peas. I added about 3 green chopped up onions in there as well. And we're going to go ahead and saute those for a few minutes. And then I'll add the rice. These are old rice sitting in the fridge that nobody wanted to eat. And I added a tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And gonna go ahead and give that a good mix because the rice are cold, so we need to cook those a little bit. Now to the rice, we're gonna go ahead and add the cooked shrimp, and we're gonna give that a mix. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the scrambled eggs in there, and we're gonna go and mix those in there really well. And that's it. Shrimp fried rice are ready. We're gonna go ahead and move on to making the sauce. This is just optional, but I like to drizzle it with some sauce. So here I added about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of ketchup, tablespoon of rice vinegar, and just a little bit of onion powder and a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. And after adding that, just go ahead and give that a good mix to combine everything, and go ahead and set that aside while we plate some shrimp fried rice. And then go ahead and drizzle the yum yum sauce on top of that. It does make a huge difference because the sauce really enhances the flavor. Hopefully you like and enjoy the recipe just as